guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are with Victoria, and again all you need to do is just hit subscribe to keep tuned in to plenty more videos that are going to be coming your way. Today is all about quick hair up ideas. So I have previously done like mums on the school run hair up and different ideas for you, but I was asked how do I do my half up hairdo, as it's kind of one of my other go-tos, and again I always use it on busy mornings, but it's one of those ones that's really simple to do. You don't have to be really good at hair, you don't particularly have to have long hair to do it either, and there's actually kind of something that I saw on, I think it was like Khloe Kardashian or someone like that, and I was like, yeah, I can do that. So why not give it a go? Follow it through with me as we're doing it. So I've just got my straighteners on, I've got a brush, I've got some hairspray, hairband, and most importantly, something that I use every day are my little Kirby grips, okay? So what I'm going to do is, you can take as sort of much up as you want to. I tend to just roughly pick up sort of like the first section of my hair, but nothing too, like, I'm really not into like sectioning off so it's really even and neat. I just like to kind of run my fingers through it, pull it up, and off we go. I always find it, if you're, you know, trying to get it exactly the same each side, that's when it never kind of works out. So just roughly pull it. Obviously don't let any bits really poke out. So I've got it there like so. If I just twist my head, you can see I've got it in my hand, and then all I'm going to do is just, if I can grab the band, little brown band, I'm just going to pull it round, put it into like a half sort of ponytail. Again, just roughly, nothing particular neat. Any of you that follow my stuff know I'm really not into that kind of slicked, pulled down effect. So I've just got a little bit, even like this little bit here that I've got sort of poking out. I don't really stress too much about it. I just loosen the rest of it so it kind of just comes forward. Nothing too hard about that. Really, really simple. There has been times that I've left it like this and just like curled some of the back bits. You can do it that way if you don't particularly like the top knot. So then what I'm going to do, just loosely, without pulling it back too tight, I'm just going to twist the top section, and all I'm going to do is wrap it round just roughly like so, without getting the other bits caught, round the top like so, and then I'm going to use my Kirby grips just to literally clip it into place. Now every time I do this, it is slightly different, so it will never be exactly the same. So all you're going to try and do is just, if I get hold of it, just literally clip these into place. So I roughly go round, and then what I do is just sort of pull it apart slightly, because again, I'm not really into that whole perfection slick back. I'm not getting married. This isn't like a bridal hair or anything. This is just a quick updo. And again, because I like volume, all I'm going to do is just pull that bit round, just to even out. So it's not like a perfect bun or anything like that. I just like, can you see how I've sort of pulled these bits round, if I move that hand here, just to section it out slightly. The only thing you want to make sure you do is that you have well and truly got it gripped in. Especially again, if you've got finer hair, you might find it slides out a little bit more. So just use your clips. And again, any little loose bits like this little monkey here, I'll just clip it in and round, and then all I want to do is just pull this front section forward just a little bit, just to give it that volume. Now obviously I have a fringe, so just make sure you don't pull up any of your fringe bits, and then I always like to keep some down just around the sides, and you can pull it out again if you need to. And then all I do is literally just take, if I get the lid off, my hard head, my bed head, I'll just hold that up for you, just to give it literally a spritz round. That will just keep that in place. This is my favourite hairspray for keeping everything in place. And then if you needed to, you could just literally take your straighteners just to run through any bits just to tidy up. And then sometimes what I've done is, if I've been like in a mad rush to kind of go out after work, haven't had time to do much with my hair, what you can simply do is just take some little bits like so, take your straighteners, and then all you're going to do is just twist it around away from you. As I pull out, then just going to add those little curls, and then you could do the same. And again, just run some curls all the way through it if you wanted to, just to kind of glam it up a little bit. So this this style can be used on a number of different ways. Really simple. It took me, 5 minutes to do. So remember, half into like a high ponytail, a bit like you used to wear when you was a little girl. It always reminds me of how my mum used to do my hair. And then I'll twist it, wrap it round, and just loosely clip it, spray it, and you're good to go. It's really one that everybody can do. So let me know how you get on. Share some of your ideas, some pictures, etc. And remember, keep tuned in, hit subscribe, and any other videos that you want, just let me know and I'll post them very, very soon. See you soon.